Hello students, myself Sarma Malik Das, Assistant Professor of Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology. Today I discuss about multivariate calculus and here we discuss about double integral. Like a single variable function fx, we can integrate a continuous function f of xy over a region on two-dimensional plane and three-dimensional space. There are some similarities between double integrals and line integrals, and we use these double integrals to find the area of a region, volume bounded by a surface and a plane, center of gravity as well as moment of inertia. Okay, so first have to see that what is the definition of double integral. Let z is equals to f of xy be a function defined on a region capital R which is lying on XOY plane we draw the figure. This is our region. This is the function z of fxy. Okay, now we subdivided R into n number of non-overlapping subregions of area delta A1, delta A2 up to delta AN. Okay, so this is R. Now here delta of A1 plus delta of A2 plus delta of A3 up to delta of AN, this is equals to area of R. Okay, let the points x1 y1 x2 y2 up to xn yn belongs to the each of this subregion. Respectively. Then we find the sum, say f of x1 y1 into delta a1 plus f of x2 y2 into delta a2 plus up to f of x3 y3 into delta xn, this is, and what is yn, delta an, this is equals to summation of f of xr yr delta ar, where r is equals to 1 to n. Okay, here if the number of partition n tends to infinitives in such a way that delta of ar tends to 0, okay, then the summation of r is equals to 1 to n f of xr yr delta ar varies, and if limit n tends to infinitives, summation of r is equals to 1 to infinitives f of xr yr delta of ar exist, then f of xy is said to be integrable on the region R. Then this value of this limit is called double integral of f of xy. Okay, this is called the double integral f of xy, and it is denoted by, this is called double integral of f of xy, and it is denoted by double integral over the region R f of xy dx dy. Okay, so this double integral is nothing but a limit, because this is always this function, the double integral of a function may not always exist, and we have the following theorem that f of xy is continuous and sectionally continuous on the region R, then it is integrable on R. Okay, that means if f of xy is continuous over the region, then it is the integrable. Okay, so how can we evaluate this double integral? We evaluate this double integral by repeated integral. Okay, by repeated integral. Number 1, let R be a region lying on x or y plane. Okay, for example, so we draw the figure. Okay, this, say this point is capital A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, and this is the region R. Okay, say it is x equal to A, and it is x equals to B, and it is y is equals to C, and it is y is equals to D. Okay, so region in the xy plane, and this region which has that any line parallel to y axis, the line parallel to y axis is x equals to A and x equals to B, which meets the boundary of the R. This meets the boundary of the R at most 2 points. Okay, say this line is touch the boundary at most 2 points, means maximum 2 points. Okay, so this line touch the boundary at 1 point, but if this line goes through here, this will touch to 2 points, this will touch to also 2 point, and this will touch 1 point, so at most 2 point. Okay, then the region R shown in the figure, in such type of region, this type of region, and R can be partitioned into 2 portion. Okay, one is ABC and another is ADC. Next, these two curves are defined by the two function. Okay, so there are two function, the boundary R can be partitioned into two curves. One is ABC and ADC. Now let the these two curves defined by two function, y is equals to f1x and y is equals to f2x respectively, and f1x and f2x are continuous in the interval AB, closed interval AB. Okay, then the double integral in the region R, fxy dx dy exist, then if this integration exists, then double integration in the region R, f of xy dx dy, this can be written as y is a function of x here, so this is the limit from x equals to a to b, and y is equals to f1x to f2x, f of xy dx dy. Okay, this also written as x equals to a to b, y is equals to f1x, y is equals to f2x, f of xy dy dx. Okay, so this is one type of evaluation of double integral. Next, another type is, let R be the region. Okay, here also same, R be the region in the lying in the xy plane. Here the boundary and such that any line parallel to x-axis. Okay, now we deal about the line parallel to x-axis. Okay, so here the line parallel to x-axis, that means y is equals to c and y is equals to d, which pass through the region and which touch the region R in 1 point, and if this line goes through here, then this will touch to 2 point. That means here also the line parallel to x-axis touch the region at most 2 points. Okay, so here the boundary R can be partitioned into two curves, which is DAB and another is DCA. Okay, so here we write, here the boundary, first here write, let R be a region lying XY plane such that any line parallel to x-axis here, x-axis meets the boundary of R at most 2 points. Okay, and the boundary R can be partitioned into two curves. One is BAD and BCD. Okay, so let these two curves can be defined by two functions, say x equals to phi 1 of y and x equals to phi 2 of y. Okay, and these two functions are continuous in the closed interval CD. Then if double integration over the region R f of xy dx dy exists, then double integration over the region R f of xy dx dy, this is equals to, here x is a function of y, that means this limit is y is equals to c to d, and x equals to phi 1 y to phi 2 y, f of xy dx dy, which can be written as y is equals to c to d, x equals to phi 1 y, x equals to phi 2 y, f of xy dx dy. So to integrate the double integral, we use the two steps. First step is we integrate it with respect to y, then with respect to x, or integrate with respect to x, then with respect to y. So in our next class we discuss about the examples. Okay.